Hello everyone, so for today we will talk about the confirmatory tests for the presence of group 4 cations and group 5 cations. These cations are from alkaline earth metals and alkali metals respectively. Recall in the past experiments that the previous groups of cations are confirmed through the formation of colored precipitates, such as in the case of plumbous ion, or the formation of a colored complex, such as in the case of copper ion. On the other hand, group 4 and group 5 cations seldom have specific precipitant for their conformation. For these reasons, we will be utilizing the flame test. Flame test is conducted by igniting a salt or a solution of the group 4 and group 5 cations. The color of the flame after ignition is specific to a cation, thus it can be used to confirm its presence. Let's talk briefly how the color of the flame is produced. When we heat cation, its atoms absorb a specific amount of energy that causes the promotion of their electrons to a higher energy state. That is to say, their electrons are being excited. As electrons fall back down to lower levels, the same amount of energy is released as light. This specific amount of energy corresponds to a specific wavelength that we qualitatively see as color. Now we are ready to do the flame test. The required apparatus for this experiment is the nichrome wire and the Bunsen burner, and of course the salt or the solution of the cation. For this video, we use salt of the cations. Let me start by showing you the results of some of the group 4 cations, specifically the calcium ion, strontium ion, and barium ion. First, we have the result for the calcium ion. Next, we have the strontium ion. Experience is required in identifying the flame of calcium ion and strontium ion as they're almost identical to each other. And lastly, we have the barium ion. So here once again are the group 4 cations. Lastly, I'll show you the results for the flame test of the group 5 cations, specifically your sodium ion and potassium ion. For the first one, we have the sodium ion. Lastly, we have the result for the potassium ion. For the detection of potassium ion, we use a cobalt glass filter to expand our ability to see the violet flame. So once again, these are the results for the flame test of the group 5 cations. Again, experience is very much necessary in the identification of the colors of the flame, so I suggest that you keep on reviewing this video for mastery. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.